Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, quick, healthy home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for being with me here once again, and to your continued supports through all the years. And to those you are new here, welcome to my channel, and I hope you learn and enjoy today's recipe. To begin, let's chopped or minced 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Then chop 1 piece of medium-sized onion. Write in the comment your name and your country, for me to be able to thank you and greet you on my next video. Have 1 piece of tomato. Remove the hard core, then cut into cubes. Your feedback helps us grow. Write in your views on the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell at the end of the video, for you to always be updated. At the end of this video, I will thank some people around the world who are always there to support my channel and my page. Be sure to finish this video. Who knows, your name might be the next to be called. Slice 1 piece of bitter melon. In our dialect Filipino, we call this Ampalaya. With the use of spoon, while circling around, remove the seeds. Do the same with the rest bitter melon. This video is made easy for you to follow. If you are looking for more bitter melon recipe, you can check my other videos and playlist. There are a lot of recipe to choose. Once the seeds are removed, put them in a bowl with water and salt and let it soak for 10 minutes or until we starts to cook. Soaking the bitter melon in a water with salt helps remove the bitter taste of the bitter melon. Try it. It's really work. Get some eggs and separate the yolk, form the white. Oops, the yolk is broken. We just add it to the egg white and get another egg. That will come sometimes because we never know if the egg is fresh or not. Then mix the egg white. Now all the ingredients are prepared. We can start cooking by adding vegetable oil in a heated pan. Once the oil is heated, add the garlic and start stirring until the aroma comes out. Then add the onion, wait until it caramelized, then add the tomato. For the seasoning, add a pinch of salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of vegetable flavor, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix well all the ingredients, then add the egg. Now add the bitter melon and the egg yolk. Be careful in putting the egg yolk. What can you say? Easy but looks so elegant, correct? What can you say about this recipe? Write your views in the comment. Cover it. Lower the heat and let it continue to cook for 3 minutes, then uncover it. Wow! Amazing work and very satisfying. Now you can turn off the heat. To Lucy of Mexico, JC Frankie of Pennsylvania, USA, Helen's home channel, and Rochelle DeTerra, thank you for watching and for your continued supports on my Facebook page, YouTube channel, and Rumble. I hope to see you again in my next video. Try to cook this recipe on coming weekend, then write in the comment its taste. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always be updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.